Hi guys, it's Marco here from Marco's Trains Vlogs. I'm here at Unanderra for Unanderra Vlog 41 and Part 8. This is our Bondi Junction service. I literally just got here and I missed the front half. I didn't film the front half, but it was H38 and the reefer cars is H44. So I'll see you when it departs. And now the Oscar is departing platform number 2, Bondi Junction service. Next stop will be Coniston, followed by Wollongong, North Wollongong, Thirroul, Helensburgh, Sutherland, Hurstville, Walla Creek, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Martin Place, Kings Cross, Edgecliff and Bondi Junction. You'll not be able to see it, but probably like right in the middle, you can see the 3 dot, hold on, just there, you can see the 3 dots flashing. That's for, I think, an Oscar or something. But the next Oscar train to arrive this platform here, it's at Scarborough, so maybe it's a freight train, I'm not sure. And there's an Oscar train approaching platform number 2. Sorry, number 1. It's 8 cars. The front 4 cars is H45. Oh, thank you. And the rear 4 cars is H10. That's what we saw last night at Carnival twice. The train is departing platform number 1, going to Kiama, H45 and H10. I forgot to mention I'm here with Ads Transport Vlogs. Next up will be Dapto, followed by Albion Park, Oak Flats, Shahaba Junction, Minamara, Bombo and Kiama. Now guys, the signal has changed to green there, so there's a freight train coming. Yeah, Adam's happy. I think it's the coal train.
Last time you were recording, sorry, I was like this.
Yeah, remember?
That was
that.
That was so cringy. I should have told you cut the video.
Doesn't matter. Yeah, it's green, but
yes.
I knew there was a freight train because there's Pacific National people there.
Okay, so yeah.
So that means there's a freight train, and plus the signal's green there. So I'll see you when the Oscar train comes, and then the freight train will come afterwards.
Bye.
And there's another Oscar train coming. Hopefully the freight train. Adam guessed the NR class. I guessed the 82 class.
No, don't.
Front 4 cars is H3. Oh, we saw that yesterday as well. H3 is the front 4 cars, and the rear 4 cars is H28. The Oscar train is now departing platform number 2. And that's going to Central, I think. Bondi Junction or Central. Doesn't say on the back desk though. So next stop will be Coniston, followed by Wollongong, North Wollongong, Thirroul, Helensburgh, Sutherland, Hurstville, Walla Creek, Redfern, Central. And if it's going to Bondi Junction, then next stop after Central will be Town Hall, Martin Place, Kings Cross, Edgecliff and Bondi Junction. So I'll see you when the freight train comes. And up ahead there's the 82 class train coming. I was right. I think it's the coal train. But see when it comes closer. There's a coal train, the front loco is 8210. They're going to do a driver change. Oh, I can hear it. Sorry about that. (8210 and 8217). Currently doing a driver change, so they'll be departing shortly. What are you doing?
I don't know why I'm doing that.
Oh yes, and they're now departing. Sorry about that. I was looking towards the back. Adam, there's a banker. Thank you. 8225 at the back with our nice guy at the banker. That's going to in the harbour. Yes. Anyway guys, thank you for all watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment down below, turn notifications on, and also subscribe to Ads Transport Vlogs. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.